Good evening, I'm Art Bedsole.
And I'm Mallory Anderson. Heather Scold has the night off. He was already under a state investigation regarding his conduct with crime victims.
And now new concerns are emerging about another case dropped by San Luis Valley District Attorney Alonzo Payne. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live in our newsroom with what he has learned about this latest case. Sean.
Yeah, but Mallory, Matthew Maka was shot outside a Dollar General in Saguache County in October of 2021. The alleged shooter, Joseph Taylor, was charged with attempted murder, but Maka says he was left in the dark by prosecutors, and that case was abruptly dismissed.
Do you think it's funny that I get shot and you guys are basically letting this guy walk for murder? Like, I could have died.
Matthew Maka was shot in October, but 8 months later in June, the criminal case against the alleged shooter was dismissed by the 12th Judicial District Attorney. Arrest documents say this man, Joseph Taylor, allegedly told Maka, quote, "I'm going to kill you." Police records say there was a brief struggle when Taylor pointed a Glock 49 handgun at Maka and fired it at him.
I grabbed the gun and we were fighting for it, and I was headbutting him. And then he was able to let a round off, which hit me right here in the stomach.
These are the pictures of Maka's injuries after the shooting. Alonzo Payne filed a motion to dismiss all charges with claims that Maka's statements contradict physical evidence, adding that there was evidence the wound may be self-inflicted, but Maka says he was never asked about the struggle. A Saguache County judge reinstated the case after Maka wrote a letter pleading for the case to not be dismissed. In the letter, Maka says DA Payne failed to inform, consult, or treat him with respect, fairness, and dignity.
The DA is supposed to represent me and is supposed to be my attorney and looking for my best interest when he clearly is not doing anything. It's your job to get my side of the story and even the other person's side of the story. It's not my job.
Taylor and Maka will be back in court in July. Maka is now one of multiple people who have filed a state complaint alleging their victims' rights were violated by Alonzo Payne. Payne, who is now facing a recall in Alamosa, has not returned our multiple emails and phone calls. Reporting in the newsroom, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
Sean, thank you.